Going to Japan? Let's turn some common dialogues into your guide for that perfect first day.
So we're going to walk through a typical day, from that morning train ride to evening plans. All right, first things first, getting around. Let's start by asking for directions to Tokyo Station. It's a really simple 4-step pattern. Get attention, state your goal, listen, and say thanks.
Okay, so you're at the station. Buying a ticket is easy. Just find your destination and the price.
A ticket to Shinjuku will run you 400 yen. And don't worry, most machines have an English option. Easy. Just say your destination plus me onegai shimasu. Like, Tokyo Hotel me onegai shimasu. Okay, 5,800 yen. And remember, no tipping in Japan. You just pay the fare on the meter. Okay, time for a quick break. Let's pop into a shop for some coffee and supplies.
The coffee is 350 yen. But wait, how do you ask to pay with a card?
This is such a useful phrase. You can use it in almost any shop or restaurant. They'll probably ask to heat it up. Just say, "Hai, atatamete kudasai," for yes, please. And don't forget, a plastic bag will cost you a few extra yen. It's smart to bring your own. All right, evening's here. Let's head to an izakaya, a Japanese-style pub, for some dinner.
With these 3 phrases, you're all set to order a drink, ask for recommendations, and pay.
Ready to make some plans? Inviting your friend Suzuki-san for sushi is just a quick call.
Before you head home, it's time for souvenirs, or omiyage. Let's find a really popular one.
Just ask for the Ichiban Ninki, which means most popular item. It's a great way to choose. Okay, but travel isn't always perfect, so here's what to say when things go a little wrong. So, if you lose something, stay calm and find a koban. That's a small local police station. You'll need to describe what you lost, so be ready with the type, color, and what was inside. And what if you get sick? At the doctor's office, you'll need to clearly explain your symptoms. So, after hearing your symptoms, the doctor figures it's a cold and gives you 3 days of medicine. See? If you explain the problem and when it started, the hotel staff can fix it fast. So there you have it, the key phrases for your first day. Now what adventures are you gonna have?